Select Transfer Out. Choose the currency you'd like to transfer. Select Blockchain Transfer as the transfer method. Choose a blockchain wallet to receive your funds. Pick your network. Note, ensure the network supports your specific asset. Enter your withdrawal amount. Check the transfer details and select Proceed to Transfer. Review the recipient and transfer details again, then click Confirm. Enter your 6-digit code by your two-factor authentication, 2FA app. You will receive an email once your funds are credited to your blockchain account. Network transaction fees apply. StraitsX, stablecoin rails for real-world payments.